I came to the ecology workshop or environmental science workshop earlier. I wanted to come back to get more biology specific content because I hadn't taught it in a little while, and a big thing that I took away is using class time to do all the model making and the debates and the team competitions, and not have class time where we can all watch a video together or whatever. They can do those things on their own. So there's more value in the class time, them driving it themselves and being responsible for doing this part, but then getting feedback and being able to critique and find all these things out on their own instead of me guiding it so much and putting that more with them.
I think many of us have used different modality teaching, but this gave me insight into how to better implement it so the kids have the control and they drive their learning process. It was very visual, very hands-on, so it showed me how to run things in my classroom as well. It's not just telling us how to do something, but showing us. And we walked through it, we worked through it, and we saw the struggles. And I truly believe the kids, when they struggle, they learn because they're working it, they're processing it. I got to see how that actually can be more successful than the way I've been doing it thus far.
You always get kids who come to you, like after the first the biochem test, they're panicked and they want to drop. What can I do? And I think with this, I give them more opportunities to figure those things out before the test.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there are definitely some methodologies that I latched onto really quickly that I definitely can see myself using right away.
Coming here does exactly that. It gives you the living example of how to implement the curriculum.
I agree. And I believe the focus of student-centered teaching is so evident. And by us being able to model student-centered teaching helps us understand it a lot better. It helps me certainly, and that's exactly what I was looking for.
Each of the activities that we've been doing each day have been activities. We've been actively learning and exploring genetics. And we're not just sitting in a chair passively learning, listening to a lecture. We're tackling and teasing out these ideas through modeling and role-playing. It's been really satisfying to me, and I think others.
Sometimes in biology it can be hard to visualize structures like, molecules, and sort of having these really interesting activities that immerse the students in the process they're studying is very helpful. And Kristen did a great job of showing us these activities, as well as getting us to imagine how we could design activities of our own. This week was focused on cell biology and then some biochemistry, but I could easily imagine how I could apply this to genetics or anatomy and physiology.
I think the camaraderie of being here too. We became very close-knit as a group pretty quickly. And
Absolutely.
having that and knowing that we'll still be able to keep in touch, and even though they may be in a different state and I'm in a private school and they're in public school, we still have a lot of the same struggles. Having that time where you can, outside
Share.
of class when everything's so busy.
We definitely don't get the time during the school year.
So
attending stuff like this, when you do have time to sit and share. In this group here, everybody wanted to hear each other. Mm-hmm. Everybody gave everybody the opportunity to share and, give their ideas. And we welcome that. And I felt like everybody wanted to hear what I had to say. And I think Kristen fostered that.
It's a great group of people that Kristen attracts here. And, I found my peers inspirational, and overall the experience was a nice recharge, kind of reminded me of why I went into teaching.
See you next week.